Hey everyone, Sat Shri Akal, welcome to my channel. If you're like me and white dominates your wardrobe, then you must be having a white t-shirt. It could be just a plain white t-shirt or with some graphics on it, but it is the backbone of a perfect wardrobe. It is versatile, it's cool, it's staple, you can wear it any day of the year and in any season. But as summers approach, the importance of this classic piece goes up. So here in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can style any white t-shirt to look like a street style star. So here we go. So let's start with jeans. We all have them, and here I am styling them up with my white sneakers and a pair of clear glasses. If this is too much of a white for you, you can always break the monotony with a bright color purse or a red lipstick. Another great way is to add a denim jacket to your outfit. A long neck piece is always there to help you, and if you want a little more feminine touch, you can ditch your white sneakers for some heels. And if jewelry is not your thing, here comes the famous knot. This knot, pair of heels, a pair of good sunglasses, and you are ready to rule. For a more classy look, replace your blue denims with white ones and you have an entirely new outfit. Next is to pair the same outfit with a kimono. You simply can't undermine the power of a kimono, and this is one of my favorite everyday looks. So white is gone and the classic black and white combo is here. You simply can't go wrong with this. And if you're looking for layering, you can any day wear a white or a black shrug or simply a denim jacket. Now I'm replacing this white t-shirt with a graphic one, and you can see the difference yourself. For a more peppy, more casual vibe, this is the way you go. And if plain white t-shirt was too normal or too boring with the white jeans, try switching it with a graphic t-shirt. And if you are not a denim jacket person, you can replace it with a military colored jacket or bomber. It goes with almost anything and everything. So my shoes are the only thing that I have changed, and oh baby, you can see the difference in the vibe. And who said blazers are just for office and for formal occasions? This combo is definitely steal-worthy. And jeans make a comeback, but with glam and glitter. So now you see a white t-shirt, whether it is plain or a graphic one, simply with your jeans and few changes can make numerous outfits. Too much denim. Let's talk about other bottoms, and let's start with the sweatpants. So if you ask me which is that one outfit which I would like to stay rest of my life in, I would definitely say this one. I mean, pajame kisko nahi pasand yaar? So a well-fitted sweatpants and a white t-shirt gives such a sporty vibe. So once upon a time, I tried to be ultra cool and invested in these leather pants. But believe me, no regrets at all. I simply love them. So if you have anything unique or unusual, a white t-shirt is a great companion. So don't hesitate to invest in all those not so normal things. Want to look slim and tall? Buy cigarette pants. They and a white t-shirt are a match made in heaven. You can wear them with heels to your casual day in office, but in my case, I love this casual look. Another cool and different way to dress up is to wear your white t-shirt on top or under your dresses. So simply put a white t-shirt on, a simple knot, and you are good to go. Now this is a nice way to wear all those strappy dresses which you don't want to wear to those casual events. Now it's not only about strappy dresses. This is a great way to masquerade all those boring one pieces which you simply don't want to wear. This style doesn't only look good with sneakers but with heels too. Now why to make all these dresses disguise as skirts when we can make a white t-shirt look awesome with skirts? So a plain white t-shirt tucked in maxi skirt with a pair of white sneakers with lavish looking eyewear is the perfect example of outfit of the day in summers. Also, your maxi skirt can be replaced by a pencil skirt and your plain white t-shirt can be ditched for a more glamorous version. Something that can make you look famous? Pun intended. So here we are at the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. So write me in the comment section below which outfit did you like the most. So if you liked today's video, give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.